आपका स्वागत है। टारगेट एम्स जोधपुर चैनल में हम पढ़ रहे थे ओबीजी एलएमआर बुक से। हम पढ़ रहे थे लास्ट मिनट रिवीजन बुक एलएमआर। उसमें हमने पढ़ लिया था ट्रू लेबर और फास्ट लेबर तक पढ़ लिया था। अब नॉर्मल मैकेनिज्म ऑफ लेबर से पढ़ेंगे। लेबर क्या होता है? लेबर सीरीज ऑफ इवेंट टेकिंग प्लेस इन द genital organ to exploit the viable product of conception from the womb through the vagina into the outer world उसको क्या बोलते हैं? लेबर। डिलीवरी किसको बोलते हैं? प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्सटेंशन explosion of viable product of fetus out of the womb. Delivery and labor are not same. Normal mechanism of labor steps: engagement, descent with flexion, head descent and chin flex on chest. Internal rotation: head internally rotate to pass through the ischial spine. एक्सटेंशन का मतलब क्या होता है? एक्सटेंशन occiput vipiate under symphysis pubis and the head is born with extension. Crowning: output splits beneath the subpubic arch when the head no longer reaches back. External rotation restation: shoulder rotate to anteroposterior position. Explosion: rest of the body in born with lateral flexion. नर्सिंग केयर क्या करेंगे? मॉनिटर fetal heart rate by auscultation, Doppler और fetal monitor. Spiral scale: electrolyte inserted clockwise, remove anti-clockwise. Fetal heart rate between contraction 110 to 160 beats per minute. Tachycardia FHR away 160 beats per minute may be sign of the fetal hypoxia. Bradycardia FSH below 110 110 per minute may be caused by fetal hypoxia due to anesthetic. Elevate mother lower extremities, reposition into the sideline position. Administer oxygen early. Early deceleration, FHR not below 100. Require no nursing intervention. Late dilation, FHR may be decreased to 60. Discontinuous oxytocin reporting to the reposition to the left lateral position. Oxygen mass 8 to 10 liter per minute. Prevent supine hypotension by positioning mother to side lining position. Step of labor: लेबर में कितनी स्टेजेस आती है? स्टेजेस ऑफ लेबर: फर्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ लेबर फ्रॉम ऑनसेट ऑफ ट्रू लेबर टू फुल डायलेशन ऑफ सर्विक्स. लेटेंट फेज: सर्विक्स डायलेट to 3 to 4 cm. Mild and short contraction. Active phase: moderate to strong contraction 5 minutes apart. Cervix dilate 2 to 7 cm. ठीक है। ब्लडी शो: मेम्ब्रेन में रप्चर. सपोर्टिव मेजर्स: encouragement, back rub, rest between contraction. Medical may be nursing for discomfort, traction phase, strong contraction 1 to minute per day, cervix dilation 7 to 10 centimeter, increase bloody show, irritable, restless, agonist, emotional, leg tremors, perceptions, flushed face, sudden nausea, vomiting, second stage of labor. Latent phase may lead up to 1 hour, decrease in frequency and increase the stage of contraction. Active phase, urge to push, stronger and closer contraction. Transitional phase begins with fetal head on perineum lunge. Leg compress are commonly nursing care. Permit करना मदर को, permit mother to close, pushing and position techniques. if unmedication में आएगा, assist mother in pushing position both leg, stimulatory to avoid trauma to uterine ligament. Monitor FHR every 5 minutes. Administer injection methergine after delivery of anterior posterior contraction in cardiac and hypertensive mother. Third stage of delivery. Third stage of delivery या labor nursing care of the newborn. Clean airway mucosa, Apgar score 1 to 5 minutes after birth. Temperature management, dry infant, skin to skin positioning, administer antibiotic, ophthalmic medicine into the each eye, vitamin K injection to prevent hemorrhage disorder, identify breaches to mother and infant, assist with expulsion of the placenta. Fourth stage, from expulsion of the placenta, unit 2 hour after birth, unitial 2 hour after birth, fundus on midline and at the level or slightly away, umbilicus, loggia, rubra, bloody vagina, discharge, fatigue, thirst, chills. Nursing care, palpate fundus every 15 minutes for firmness and height. It relaxed massage unit. It become from fundus should be 2 centimeter below umbilicus immediately after birth. It is rise at the level of umbilicus 1 hour after birth. Increase vomiting. Check for bladder dissension. Check perform for vagina, sutures, lining, bleeding. Check for hematoma, epistomy and laryngal side. Administer oxytocin medication as ordered. Provide food and fluid as tolerant. When first hour of birth, increase and teach breastfeeding. Maternal analgesis, regional analgesis and anesthesia. Epidural during labor or for anesthesia during LSCS. Supine spinal use for anesthesia during LSCS. Single dose combination intratracheal, duodenal, duodenal during second stage of lever knuckle infiltration for episiotomy repair, opioid analgesis, methadone, hydrochloride, tramadol during active labor. रूट क्या है? IV, IM, epidural, intratracheal, risk for respiratory depression, newborn, naloxone, antidote to opioid used to counter the respiratory depression. Buterol, IM, more effective than methadone 30 to 40 times, less neonate depression. Nalbuphine, IV, IM, NAIBU, nalbuphine, IM, IV, IM. Phentermine, IV, IM, epidural, intratracheal, more effective than methadone, minimum neonate depression. Episiotomy, a surgical planned incision on the perineum and posterior vaginal wall during second stage of the labor. Caesarean delivery. Caesarean section is a surgical procedure in which one or more incisions are made up through a mother abdominal and uterus to delivery one or more babies. Vertical incision. There are very rare. Quicket to make greater changes of dehiscence. Horizontal incision. It is placed at the top of the pelvic hair or just over the hairline, less than of dehiscence. Hysterectomy. It is a surgical removal of the uterus usually performed by gynecologist. It can be total, partially. It is the most commonly performed gynecology surgery procedure. Post-operative nursing care, postnatal assessment, breast, uterus, bowels, bladder, loggia, episiotomy, rest and sleep. REEDA यानी कि जो REEDA scale है from getting the severity of perineal trauma associated with episiotomy, redness, edema, ichthyosis, discharge and approximation. Loggia, vaginal discharge after giving birth. Puparium, containing blood, mucosa, uterus tissue. It is a typically continuous. Type of the loggia characterized. Type of the loggia: loggia rubra, loggia serosa, loggia alba. Color: loggia rubra होता है डार्क रेड, आर से आर याद रखना, रूपरा डार्क रेड, ठीक है। सीरोसा यानी ब्राउनिश पिंक कलर याद रखने ना, और अल्वा यानी वाइट या येलो, अल्बा ऐसा लगता है ना वाइट और येलो है वैसी। पोस्टमार्टम डे कितना होता है? रेड कलर का होता है लास्ट 1 to 4 डे। और जो लोच या सिरोसा होता है जो ब्राउनिश कलर का होता है पिंकिश, वो 5 से 9 डे का होता है। और जो लोच या अल्बा होता है वो वाइट एंड येलो 10 से 15 दिन का होता है। जो 1 से 4 दिन का होता है डार्क रेड कलर रूपरा, वो ब्लड डिसिडुअल फेरकेमेटस एंड म्यूकस होती है। और जो 5 से 9 डे होता है वो ओल्ड ब्लड होता है, सीरम होता है, इनवेंडिंग ल्यूकोसाइड होता है एंड टिश्यू पाइट्स होते हैं उसके अंदर। एल्बा में क्या होता है, म्यूकस, इपिथेलियम सेल्स और ओल्ड ल्यूकोसाइट्स होती है। अमाउंट कितना होना चाहिए पैड का, इन यूज़ फॉर 2 आवर्स से कम। 1 ग्राम पेड 1 ml ऑफ डिस्चार्ज। स्कैंटी लेस देन 1 इंच। लाइट 1 to 4 inches, moderate 4 to 6 inches, heavy more than 6 inches. Epistomy assist for redness, edema, ischemitis, discharge and approximation. Hormone sign 2 assist for deep warm thrombosis, DVT. Observe vital sign, temperature above 100 degree Fahrenheit for 2 Celsius stay considered to a sign of bearing of Viperian infection. Increase Kegel exercise. Pelvic floor exercise or Kegel exercise consist of repeatedly contraction and relaxing the mucus that part of the pelvic floor. If RH mother assist need for administer of rogam, hyperemesis gravidum, severe vomiting in pregnancy that deteriorate mother health and interfere in her daily activity. Incidence 1 in 1000 pregnancy. Adverse effect: dehydration, metabolism, acidosis, alkalosis, electrolyte imbalance, weight loss. Hydatiform mole. It is the beginning neoplasm of the chorionic villi. The uterus is descended by thin wall translucent grapes like vascules of different size. These are degenerated chronic villi filled with fluid. There is no vascular in the chronic villi, which lead to early death and absorption of embryo. Sign and symptom: patients show early sign of the pregnancy: anemia, pregnancy-induced hypertension, preeclampsia, uterine bleeding, blood mucus with the fluid from the rupture cyst, given the appearance as white currant in red currant juice. Lower abdominal pain, no quickening even from 20 weeks. Urine pregnancy test is positive in high dilation 1 से 200, in highly suggestive 1 to 500. In SIR diagnosis in the normal pregnancy is positive in dilation up to 1 to 6, 1 to 100, 1/100. Serum beta HCG level is highly elevated, 10,000 ml U per ml. USG characterize intrauterine show strong approach. No identifiable fetus. Bilateral ovarian cyst may be detect no fetal skeleton. Complication: hemorrhage, infection due to absence of the amniotic sac, performance of the uterus, pregnancy-induced hypertension, hyperthyroidism, subsequent development of choriocarcinoma. Multiple pregnancy, when more than one fetus stimulatory development in the uterus, then is called the multiple pregnancy. Two fetus twins are the commonest. There are commonest 3 fetus triple, 4 fetus quadruplet, 5 fetus in quintuple, 6 fetus sextuplets are also seen. Digonate twins. Digonate twins, binovascular, are the commonest two-third and result from the fertilization of two ova. Monozygotic twins, uniovial, one-third fertilization of single. Two or two transfusion syndrome. Complications are seen in mono monochondriasis twins. One twin separates to blood into the other through placenta vascular anastomosis. Receptor twins become large with hydromosis, polycymesis, hypertensive and hypervolemia. Donor twins become small with oligohydramnios, anemia, hypotensive and hypovolemia. Donor may appear stick due to severe oligohydramnios. Ectopic pregnancy. A pregnancy in which the fetus develops outside the uterus, most common site in the front. Fallopian tube, ampulla, outer side including ovaries, cervix and abdomen. Risk factor for ectopic pregnancy including pelvic inflammatory disease, tobacco smoking and use of associated reproductive techniques. Sign and symptom classification including abdominal pain and vaginal bleeding. Diagnosis: pregnancy test, ultrasound, beta HCG measurement due to increase approximately treatment method translate to terminate the fetus growth and subcutaneous abortion. Surgical intervention may be necessary. Administer Rogam to red Rh negative mother. फिर है antepartum hemorrhage. Placenta previa. Placenta is implanted partially or widely in the lower uterine segment near cervical os. It is a leading cause of the antepartum hemorrhage. There are 4 types of the placenta previa. Low-lying placenta implanted in the lower segment of the uterus but does not reach cover the cervical os. Vaginal birth is possible. Marginal border of the placenta through approach the cervix os. Vaginal birth is normally shaped partially. The placenta only partially obstructs cervix os. Vaginal birth is still possible. Mostly cesarean section is possible for partially type. Complete implantation totally cover the cervical os. Cesarean section is usually recommended. Sign and symptom: pain, be red bleeding of uterus, anemia, uterus contraction, planning. Bleeding is associated with placenta previa. Treatment for minimal to no bleeding. Bed rest for heavy bleeding. Cesarean section may be requirement. Abrasive placenta: the separation of the placenta from its side of the implantation after 20 weeks of the gestation or duration the course of the delivery. Type: consent operation, related operation, mixed type. Risk factor: increased age and fatty vascular disease, supine hypertension syndrome, smoking, cocaine use, uterine melanoma. Sign and symptom: vaginal bleeding accumulate with abdominal pain, bloody amniotic fluid, polar skin, hypotension. Sign of shock. Treatment depend on gestation age. It ranges from symptomatic management to C-section of vaginal delivery. Premature separation of normally situated placenta is called apraxia placenta. Absence of communicating blood vessels in the placenta is called placenta supria. Management of apraxia placenta. Term gestational hemodynamically stable. Pain for vaginal bleeding with cesarean section for usually indicate follow serious hematocrit coagulation studies continuous fetal monitoring term gestational hemodynamic instability aggressive fluid resensitization transfer packet RBC fresh corrosion plasma platelet as needed maintain फिब्रिनोजन लेवल 150 से ज़्यादा होना एमएन डिसिलेटर हेमिक्रेटेड 25 से ज़्यादा होना प्लेटलेट ओवर 6000 से यूरोचेस्ट सिजेरियन सेक्सुअल यून लेस वजाइनल ब्लीडिंग इज इमिनेटेड abnormality of placenta and cord. अब हम पढ़ेंगे abnormality cord and prolapse.